Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've got a super exciting parcel to share with you from Madam Glam, as you'll see. So this is Madam Glam's brand new March collection. So the name of this collection is called Pastel Spritz. So excited to share this one with you. Guys, look at these bottles in this collection. You've got your swatch on the lid like you normally do. So that's the creamy colours, and this is one of the pearly colours. I'm hoping you can see that on camera. Yeah, just... So the bottle is pearly, and look at the gel polish colour. So look at the difference between the two. So that's the creamy blue and the pearly blue. Oh, I am loving these. I love that you've got the matching colours. One creamy, one pearly. So you get 15ml. You've got your colour name on the bottom. Your swatch in the lid. You've got your ingredients there, if anyone wants to have a quick look through them ingredients. Madam Glam gels cure for 1 minute in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. And like all the rest of Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. So amazing formula for people who suffer with allergies when they use nail products. So let's have a look at all the colours now, shall we? These are right up my street, guys. These are my kind of colours anyway. I do like pastel shades, but I just love that you've got one of each of a creamy colour and a matching pearly colour to go with it. So I don't know whether to swatch all the creamy colours and all the pearly colours, or to swatch the two blues, the two greens. Do it like that. I'm not too sure. I think I'm going to swatch all the creamy colours first and then the pearly ones. So this one is called Cosmo Crush. This is a creamy pink colour. Again, feels like a beautiful formula. And these have got my favourite brushes inside. You know, those arched brushes with the super soft bristles. Look how soft they are. They fit so nice in the cuticle area. You look how easy it is to apply gel polish with these shaped brushes. It just fits so nice in that curved area. Look at that, done. So easy to do. Look at that colour as well, guys. Amazing coverage, self-levels beautifully, beautiful colour as well. Cure that for 60 seconds. So this one is the green creamy one, Apple Martini. Loving these names as well. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to speed the rest of these swatching up now, pop a little bit of music on. As you can probably hear, my voice is getting really bad at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to try and save my voice a little bit, and then I'll pop back in a minute.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So I just want to show you here, guys, I did notice the ingredients are slightly different between the pearly colour and the creamy colour. So I am just going to show you these side by side, and if you want to take screenshots and have a look through them, you can do. But yeah, I did notice the ingredients were slightly different. Again, both are vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. Guys, look at that bottle. I'm loving these shimmery bottles, you know. Look at that colour as well. Stunning. Let's get it swatched and have a look. So this one's called Nude Negroni.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls.
So I just want to show you here, guys, that these pearly gels, you could use them as, you know, the shell gels where they look like shell effect. So always do it on your second coat. Cure the first coat, go in with the second coat. Don't cure that second coat. I'm going to use a striping brush. You can go in with a detailer brush as well. And just do teeny tiny circles all over the nail until you get a kind of shell effect. Obviously, you can spend a little bit more time on it. I just want to show you a quick version. And I just wanted to show you, you can actually use these pearly gels as shell gels as well. It's always best to do 2 coats though, because if you do it on the first coat, you're going to get clear patches. Let's have a look at the swatches. That is the 4 creamy colours. That is what they all look like, matte and shiny. These colours are right up my street. I do like pastel shades. And then these are the 4 pearly colours. Again, you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. I have given them a coat of Madame Glam's No Wipe Shiny top coat and Madame Glam's Velvet Matte top coat. I love that you've got matching ones, so you've got matching creamy ones and matchy pearly ones like this. So you've got the matching pinks, your nudes, you've got the matching greens, the matching blues. I really like that. So we're going to get on and do a design now, guys. I'm going to start off with Lime Margarita, and I'm just going to paint the very tip of this ring fingernail, just like that. Then I'm not going to cure that yet. I'm going in with a teeny tiny sponge, and I'm just dabbing that and making a really nice blend. Just taking my little striping brush now, making sure that blend looks nice and flawless. You don't want there to be like a harsh line. You want that to really fade into the nail nicely. Just like that. Now we're going to use Blueberry Spritz, and we're going to do the exact same on this middle nail. So just paint the very tip. Don't cure that yet. Go in with the sponge. Give it a dib, dib, dab, dab. Just try and make that blend look as seamless as possible. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm then just going to blend it out a little bit more with my brush. I just find with a sponge it soaks a little bit too much of the gel polish up. I just find with my brush I can blend it out that little bit more seamlessly. Just like that. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. While that's curing, I'm just going to pop a little bit of Blueberry Spritz on my palette and a little bit of Apple Martini. And now I'm going in with my striping brush again. I use my striping brush a lot, guys, especially for doing like smile lines and things. It's a really nice brush. And I am just painting a smile line actually. So I'm going to paint the smile line, but not only am I painting a smile line, I'm also kind of outlining the free edge. So I'm going to paint a strip across the very tip of the free edge and then up the sides, either side like that. Then once I'm happy with that, I'll give that a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I do just want to say as well, guys, these gel polishes are really nice for doing artwork with because they're really nicely pigmented. I found them really nice to do artwork with. I mean, look at this Apple Martini look, how opaque that looks. Now, I wasn't too happy with the smile line of this Apple Martini. So off camera, I did go in and just thin that smile line out a little bit with a clean-up brush and some isopropyl alcohol, as you can see here. So that is those two done. I'm now going to do the other two off camera because they're exactly the same process, just using different colours. And then we'll come back in and get them top coated. And that will just seal all that artwork in. So that's all 4 nails done. I'm now going to go in with Madame Glam's Velvet Matte top coat. Apply that to all 4 nails. Now I did add a few crystals and 3D flowers as well off camera just to save a little bit of time. And that is what they look like all finished, guys. So that is what they look like with a matte finish, but I've got a feeling I'm going to prefer them with a glossy finish. So I'm just going to give them a coat of Madame Glam's Shiny No Wipe top coat. And that is what they look like, glossy. For you guys that have been watching my videos for a while, you will know I am a matte lover, but I'm actually veering towards preferring them shiny, you know. As much as it kills me to say that, I do actually prefer them shiny. I think they're really, really cute, aren't they? They are what I would call proper spring nails. So that is the swatches again one last time. Got them gorgeous 4 creamy colours, gorgeous 4 pearly colours. So everything that I've used today, guys, I will leave listed in my description box below. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for the Madame Glam website, so make sure you take full advantage of that if you do decide to place yourself an order. I'll leave the Madam Glam website link pinned in my comments. And as far as this new March collection goes, guys, I'm going to have to say it. This is my favourite Madam Glam gel polish collection to date. I love the bottles, I love the brushes, I love the colours. I love that you've got the same colours but in the creamy finish and the pearly finish, so they're matching. Just everything about this collection makes it my most favourite collection to date. And I've got so many more designs in mind that I want to do with some of these colours. So I think that's everything for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think to this collection in the comments down below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.